Germany is awesome for studying abroad. It's got famous universities and cool subjects to study. Plus, it's cheaper than studying in the US or UK. You'll get a high-quality education without spending too much. Germany is also big on research and innovation. You'll learn from the best and be a part of groundbreaking discoveries. And hey, let's not forget the free tuition in public universities for everyone, including international students. Imagine getting a world-class education without paying tuition fees. That's Germany for you. It opens doors to amazing job opportunities worldwide. A German degree is like a golden ticket to a bright future. So, you've finished 10th grade and a diploma in India. Now, you're thinking about a bachelor's degree in Germany. But wait, are you eligible? Don't worry, it's not rocket science. The German education system is a bit different. They don't directly accept a 10th plus diploma for a bachelor's degree. You'll need something called Hochschulzugangsberechtigung, HZB, which means University Entrance Qualification. Now, how do you get this HZB? One way is to do a one-year foundation course called Studienkolleg in Germany. It prepares you for university studies. Another way is to have completed 1 year of bachelor's study in India. Think of Studienkolleg as a bridge between your Indian education and the German system. It helps you adjust and learn the ropes before starting your bachelor's. Germany has two types of universities: universities of applied sciences, Fachhochschulen, and traditional universities, Universitäten. They're both great, but with different focuses. Universities of applied sciences are more practical. They focus on hands-on training and industry experience. Think engineering, business, or design. Traditional universities are more research-oriented. Confused about which one to choose? Don't stress. Think about your interests and career goals. If you're a hands-on learner who wants to jump into the job market quickly, a University of Applied Sciences might be a good fit. If you're more into research and academic pursuits, a traditional university could be your jam. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer. It's all about finding the perfect match for your aspirations. Germany has over 400 universities offering more than 17,000 courses. Talk about variety. Whether you're into engineering, medicine, or arts, Germany has something for everyone. But with so many options, finding the right program can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, there are resources to help you. Websites like DAAD, German Academic Exchange Service, and UniAssist provide comprehensive information about different courses and universities. Take your time, explore different options, and don't hesitate to contact universities directly if you have questions. They are always happy to help. Remember, choosing a program is a big decision. It's about your passion and future, so invest time in researching and finding the perfect fit for you. Section 5. The application process, step by step. Once you've found your dream program, it's time to tackle the application. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Here's a step-by-step guide to make it a breeze. First, check the language requirements. Most programs are in German, so you'll need a language proficiency certificate, like DSH or TestDAF. Some programs are also offered in English, so check the specific requirements. Next, gather your documents. This includes your academic transcripts, language proficiency certificate, passport copy, and motivation letter. Some universities might have additional requirements, so double-check. Then, apply online. Most universities have online application portals. Create an account, fill in the required information, and upload your documents. After that, pay the application fee. Some universities have a nominal application fee, usually around 50 to 100 euros. Now, wait for the admission decision. The waiting game can be nerve-wracking, but be patient. You'll receive an email notification once the university makes a decision. Finally, accept the offer and apply for a visa. If you get accepted, congratulations. Follow the instructions to confirm your spot and apply for your student visa. Remember, the application process might vary slightly depending on the university and program. Always refer to the university's website for the most up-to-date information. Section 6. Financing your German education. Germany is known for its affordable education, with many public universities offering tuition-free education even for international students. But you'll still need money for living expenses, like accommodation, food, transportation, and other necessities. The good news is, there are scholarships and financial aid options available for international students. The DAAD, or German Academic Exchange Service, is a great resource to explore different scholarship opportunities. Besides scholarships, you can also look for part-time work opportunities to support yourself financially. Germany allows international students to work part-time for up to 20 hours per week. Remember, managing finances is crucial for a smooth study abroad experience. Research your options, plan your budget, and ensure you have enough financial resources to support yourself during your studies in Germany. Section 7. Finding a home in Germany. Finding accommodation is one of the most important things to sort out before arriving in Germany. You have several options, each with its pros and cons. Student dormitories are a popular choice, offering affordable living and a chance to meet other students. Private apartments provide more independence but can be pricier. Shared apartments, or WGs, are a common compromise, offering affordability and social interaction. Start your accommodation search early, as good places tend to fill up quickly. Websites like WG Gesucht and Studenten WG are great resources for finding shared apartments. Contact your university's international office for assistance with student dormitories. Remember, finding the right accommodation contributes to a positive study abroad experience. Research your options, consider your budget and preferences, and secure your housing well in advance. Section 8. Adapting to German culture. Germany has its own unique culture and customs. While Germans are generally welcoming and helpful, it's natural to experience a bit of culture shock initially. Germans are known for their punctuality and efficiency. Being on time is crucial, whether it's for classes, appointments, or social gatherings. Direct communication is valued, so don't be afraid to express your opinions politely and respectfully. Germans also value personal space and privacy. It's customary to greet people with a handshake and maintain eye contact during conversations. Small talk isn't as common, and conversations tend to be more direct and to the point. Remember, adapting to a new culture takes time and effort. Be open-minded, observe and learn from your surroundings, and don't hesitate to ask questions if you're unsure about something. Section 9. Embracing the German lifestyle. Germany offers a high quality of life with a strong emphasis on work-life balance. Embrace the German lifestyle by exploring the country's rich history, vibrant cities, and stunning natural beauty. Take advantage of Germany's efficient public transportation system to explore different cities and experience the local culture. Visit historical landmarks, museums, and art galleries to immerse yourself in German history and heritage. Don't miss out on trying the local cuisine. Germany is famous for its sausages, pretzels, and beer. Each region has its own specialties, so be adventurous and try something new. Remember, studying abroad is not just about academics. It's also about experiencing a new culture and embracing a different way of life. Make the most of your time in Germany by exploring, learning, and creating unforgettable memories. Section 10. Your German adventure awaits. Studying in Germany is an incredible opportunity for personal and academic growth. It's a chance to challenge yourself, step outside your comfort zone, and gain a global perspective. Remember, the journey might seem daunting at first, but with proper planning, preparation, and a positive attitude, you can overcome any challenges that come your way. Embrace the unknown, make the most of this incredible experience, and let your German adventure begin.